You ride the slide, Cash?
Yeah, I want the black slide. I want the black.
You want to go on the black slide?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not all this stuff is here.
Where are you gonna go down, Cash? I don't think you can climb out, Cash. That's hard to climb up.
I know. Yeah, I know. Hey, hang on to the side.
I don't know how you're gonna get down it.
You'll have to go down the slide. Here. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you go. That's the way you gotta do it.
Oh no. Say yay. Hey, you made it up.
We did it.
You gonna go down that big slide? All right, go down it.
He's going down by himself. I'm just gonna stay here.
You're gonna go down it?
I don't want to go back up. I don't want to go back up, dude.
Go, Cash, go. Whoa. Where are you gonna go down, Cash? Did you do it?
You have to let other people drive the tractor. Okay, so you drive it a minute and then we're going to let the other boys help.
No.
Bryce first. He's waiting, honey.
Are you gonna go down that slide?
Ready? That one's easier to go down, bud.
1, 2, 3, go.
Woohoo!
Go through the tires.
Come here. Start
Go
right
in them.
here.
Jump through them. Go.
Then wait for me to come around, okay? Stay right there.
Uh-oh.
Hold up. Ready? Okay.
Go.
Stand up. Now put your feet over there. Put your feet over here. Don't go in the hole. Go.
Up.
you go.
Keep it going.
Come on. You again.
Go.
Go.
Whoa. Stand by it. Stand by the pumpkin. Say hi, pumpkin. What's... Whoa.
Come on, Cash, let's go.
You ride the horsey? Whoa. Swing.
Woohoo!
Giddy up.
Giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up, Cash. Whoa, hold on.
Woohoo!
Whoa. Hold on to the horsey.
Ready? Look at me.
Crawl through them. Go. Crawl. Under. Get in there. You're gonna get dirty, but you gotta do it. Crawl. Come on, crawl like gecko. Crawl like gecko. Hey, Cash, I'm getting you. You better run.
You guys want to go on that slide right there?
Can you crawl? Can you crawl? Can you climb? You're almost there.
Good job.
Now climb the. Now go on the bridge.
Careful, watch that step right there, though.
Watch your first step.
Put your foot right there. There you go. You got it. Go.
Go, Cash, go.
You got it. See? You good. You're okay.
There you go. Go down the slide. Sit down.
Did you jump down the slide or did you run?
Then you go on a zip line.
Okay.
Hold on. Let Mama hold on you. Mama's gonna hold on you. Mama's gotta hold on to you.
You guys stay right there for a second until I'm ready. Okay, you ready?
Whoa. Look at that, Cash.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Can you pet him?
Pet him. Pet him. Say hi. The ball. You see the goats?
Right here, Cash. Say hi, goat.
Say hi. Say hi, goat.
We don't want any food, guys. I think they want food. Do you have 25 cents?
Here, they all got a quarter on me. I think it's 25 cents to get some food cash. I don't think we got any quarters.
Oh, I do.
Oh, we got quarter?
Ooh, we can eat
Huh? You gotta feed the goat.
Oh, Cash, you're supposed to.
Oh, they sense it. They know that noise.
Look, watch.
Here they all come. They all hear that coin machine. Feed them.
Oh, here we go, Cash. Here,
Feed them.
I have another quarter.
Hi, goat.
Put your hands down there. Wait until the thing comes out. Go right there. See?
Okay.
Here.
Good job feeding the goats.
No, Cash, you're not supposed to. Watch. I'll show you. Watch
That
out.
one wants some too. How about the black one? Feed them.
Go check them out. Don't chase them though. But you can look at them. Don't go in there.
Don't go in there. Here, come on, Cash. Look at the chickens.
Look at the chickens right there. Look.
Go say hi. Go say hi to the chickens.
Don't chase. Don't chase.
You see horsey? Let's see. Well, yeah. There's the
I
horsey.
see a bunch of horses. Ooh, didn't even a baby horsey. Get away from me.
Few minutes, because then I gotta take a hay wagon out to the pumpkins.
I don't think they heard me anyways.
Your daughter is so excited. Yeah, she is. All right, here we go.
You ready, Cash?
Ready?
Hold on tight.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Hi, Cash. Cash. Hi.
Cash. Bye.
Bye, Cash. Oh, you're on a tractor,
Cash, look at Mama.
a hay tractor.
Say beep beep.
Go beep beep.
Okay, wait, hold on. There we are. One.
Look at that big slide. I don't know if you can go down that one. Ooh.
I actually had one almost identical to this. Look, wanna go to my tractor over there?
Want to go on a hayride?
Move your butt. I wanna get you. Run.
Cash, ready to go on a hayride?
Yeah. It was so funny.
You want to sit on Mama's side?
It's too early to pick him
Hey,
right
Cash,
now.
we're going to
but we're gonna go
Wolfman's
check him
house.
out.
Is at the hospital? What? Do you know where he is? Is he at Butterworth? He was at Deal. And then they just said
Whoa.
I don't know why she went to the correct. Oh, yes. Did you get the and then because well they're like okay yeah Butterworth is also and I'm like, wait, how come you need to stick that? You want to say bye, Mama?
Hey, Cash, we're at the pumpkin patch now. We're at the pumpkin patch. You gonna pick a pumpkin out? You gonna get a baby pumpkin? All right, we'll try to find a baby pumpkin.
No, I'd rather just sit. I really would. I'll just sit and relax. Yes, that's fine. Bye.
Come on, Cash, let's go find a pumpkin.
Oh, that's a cool one, Nora. It's a pumpkin.
You see one? Look at a yellow one. A yellow pumpkin?
One there.
Trying to find a baby pumpkin?
Or there's a baby yellow one.
You find one? Let's look for a baby pumpkin.
Okay, here's a baby yellow one.
Oh, look at that baby yellow one. You want it?
Finger. You want the baby yellow one?
No, that one was a bubble.
You want this one?
No, that one.
No, Daddy and I aren't getting pumpkins. If you want a pumpkin,
No, just
you
one.
get a pumpkin.
Only you.
Do you want that orange one right there?
You see that little baby one? Look, it's a little baby pumpkin. Pick it up. You want that one?
You want this baby one?
Here you go, Cash. Hold on to it.
Pumpkin.
You got your baby pumpkin?
Okay.
It's big.
All right.
It's big.
It's big. It's not that big. We'll
What,
get
Cash?
an orange and a white
We
one.
found some white pumpkins. You want a white and a baby orange one? Here, hold the white pumpkin, Cash. Hold it.
Yup.
Say, well, are you gonna paint it when you get home?
Yup.
Is that for me? Oh, thank you. Where's your pumpkin?
He wants the orange pumpkin.
Are you gonna paint the pumpkin when you get home, Cash? All right.
Okay, let's go back to the tractor.
Let's go back to the tractor.
So we got.
You're gonna name your pumpkins? Which one are you gonna paint first, Cash? Cash, which pumpkin are you gonna paint first? The orange one or the white one?
Right.
You're gonna name your pumpkin? What's that pumpkin's name?
Right.
White? All right.
He don't want that pumpkin. That's fine, because that's my pumpkin.
It's Dada.
No, it's Mama.
Dada.
No. You got it? Here you go. No, hang on to it.
What's the hate?
I'll show you. I'll show you how to do it.
I'm a hope.
Come here. Ready? Hang on with your legs. Cross your legs.
I want to see the moves? I see some moves.
Watch. Here. Ready? You're going to swing.
1, 2, 3.
Swing. Hang on to it and then jump off.
No.
Come on, you can do it.
Say hi. Where'd you-
Okay, fine. I'll show you how to do it. Ready?
Set.
Grab up here. Hang
Here.
on to it.
1,
And
2,
hang
3.
on to the rope. Hang on to the rope. I got you. Not gonna let you go.
Go.
Woo! Hang.
Sit down.
Stay right there. Don't jump off. I take a picture. Ready? Smile. Cash.
Smile for the camera.
Cash Presley.
It's a rope maze, Cash. You're cheating. It's a maze. You got to go all through it.
You're cheating.
Trying to get to the big slide again. You're cheating. You kicking the hill, Cash?
Okay, I'm coming.
Cash. Cash Presley. Go through there.
Go through and go inside the tunnel. Oh, is it scary in there? Oh, don't go too high.
He's fine.
Go inside the tunnel. Ooh. Come on.